Today, we're going to be setting some posts in concrete for the deck that we're working on. So specifically, I'm going to show you how to set a post in concrete for this corner here. Now, there are multiple ways to set a post. You can set it the way we're going to do it today, in concrete. You can set it straight down into the ground with post hole diggers with no concrete. I don't suggest that method. I don't do that method. If you do that, you do need to go below the frost line to be able to do that. I feel like that wears down quicker and doesn't hold up as long as setting it in concrete. So, setting it in concrete, we have already got our hole dug here. Digging a hole doesn't take it much special. You don't have to see that. Now, I'll show you closer up here in a minute, but you want to make sure that your hole is about 16 inches in diameter, give or take. If you're 15, no big deal. If you're 17, no big deal. You want to identify anywhere where there could be electric, there could be gas lines, there could be anything like that. So make sure you take the right precautions to have the gas company come out and mark anywhere where there's gas lines, do an inspection for any kind of electrical wires running, anything like that. You don't want to hit that when digging. So we've got that identified, and that is up out of the way here. And we've got our hole dug about 18 inches down. I'll show you the hole again here in a minute, but we've got it dug out the way that we want. So what we are going to do is we're going to use fast setting concrete. Now, if you're pouring a pad or a sidewalk or something that needs to look nice, you can use different kinds of concretes. For a post, for a deck, or a fence, doesn't need to be pretty. So we are just going to use the fast setting concrete. It allows us to quickly set the post, and then it sets up fast, usually about 30 minutes or so that you can actually begin working on the structure while that continues to cure, but it's solid enough in about 30 minutes to where you can start working with it a little bit. This is our fast setting concrete mix. They sometimes don't package too well. If you accidentally drop it or whatever, it can bust open pretty easy. So be careful when moving those or carrying those. Now, you can see our hole. Again, it's about 18 inches, maybe 20 inches deep, and about 16 inches or so in diameter. So we typically do one bag, depending on how high that comes up. We may go ahead and do half of a second bag to bring it up to the level that we want. So you're going to get your bag of concrete and your post. With as quick as this sets up, you want to have those things ready. You want it cut to length so that you're not waiting on anything and risking that setting up faster than you want. Now, when you're doing this, you want to make sure you take safety precautions. That's going to include wearing an N95 mask, respirator, or some kind of covering over your nose and mouth. Concrete dust, if it gets breathed into your lungs have moisture in them, it can cause that to be a problem. It can solidify in your lungs. It's not something that would maybe happen the first time, but if you do it multiple times, you just don't want to have that issue. So make sure you take safety there. Also make sure you take safety in your eye protection. Wear safety glasses. Same thing, your eyes have moisture in them. If the concrete dust gets in your eye, it can cause big problems. So just make sure you take those safety precautions. Now, we've got our bucket of water here. So the way I do it, some people will mix the concrete in the bucket, put the post down, and then pour it in around the post. What I do is I actually pour the concrete powder into the hole first, pour the water in, and stir it, mix it up well, and then I stick the post down in it so I can get the post exactly where I want it. Now, we will go ahead and pour our concrete mix into the hole. Now, if you can see that, you can see that that is not even halfway up filling that hole, or maybe right at a half. So to get this post set correctly, I'm going to add another half a bag from another one so we can mix this up and make sure that that's the proper depth. So now we'll go ahead and add our water. The bag calls for 1 gallon per bag of mix. So we've got about 2 gallons here. Not going to pour it all in. Pour a good amount. And I actually use a tiller, a hand tiller. You can buy these at Walmart, Lowe's, anywhere like that. And I actually stick it down and mix that concrete and water right in the hole. And you can kind of see it start to solidify as you're doing that. You can make it more soupy with more water, more liquefied, but that's just going to take it longer to set and dry. Now we're going to stick the post down in, and it's going to allow me to get it right where I want it, which is real close to this corner. Now I'm going to get it leveled. All right, so that brings us level in that direction. We are now level in this direction. I'm going to give that concrete about 30 minutes or so to set up. We will be able to start framing off of this post. Hopefully there were a few tips that helped you in the setting of this post. Now we're ready to move on to building the rest of the deck.